Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful product that's perfect for cheese lovers and aspiring chefs alike, the cheese-making kit for mozzarella and ricotta. We found this kit online and have added a link in the description so you can check for the latest price and availability. This cheese-making kit allows you to create your very own Italian cheeses right in the comfort of your kitchen. With this kit, you'll be able to whip up fresh mozzarella and ricotta in just about 40 minutes. That's right, no complicated processes or long wait times, just simple, enjoyable cheesemaking. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this kit. First off, it comes with full, easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring that even beginners can jump right in without feeling overwhelmed. The kit includes all the necessary ingredients to get you started, along with recipes tailored specifically for mozzarella and ricotta. This means you can create these delicious cheeses from scratch while learning about the cheesemaking process. Now, who is this kit suitable for? If you're a home cook looking to elevate your culinary skills, this kit is perfect for you. It's also a fantastic gift for food enthusiasts, families, or anyone who appreciates the art of making their own food. Whether you're planning a fun activity with friends, a unique date night, or simply want to treat yourself to some homemade cheese, this kit has you covered. Imagine gathering with friends or family, where everyone gets to participate in the cheesemaking process. You can enjoy the fruits of your labor as you savor freshly made mozzarella on top of a homemade pizza or ricotta in your favorite pasta dish. Plus, the satisfaction of creating something from scratch is truly rewarding. This kit is also a great way to introduce children to cooking. Making cheese can be a fun and educational experience, allowing them to learn about different ingredients and the science behind cheesemaking. It's a hands-on activity that combines creativity with delicious results. In summary, if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to enjoy Italian cuisine, the cheesemaking kit for mozzarella and ricotta is an excellent choice. It's straightforward, quick, and perfect for anyone who loves cheese. So why not give it a try? You might just find a new favorite hobby. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.